These books are so good that you would want to ditch all your plans just to sit and read. Hi, I'm the slowest reader on a mission to glamorize books and bookstores so much so that reading becomes the new cool. And welcome back to my channel. So, we are halfway through 2026, and touch wood, I have had the best reading year. I have almost enjoyed all the books I read in 2026. In fact, I may have found my favorite book of the year already, and I want the same for you. So, here are my 5-star top reads of 2026 that you definitely need to add to your TBR. The first book on this list is Just for the Summer by Abby Jimenez. Okay, let me start off strong and tell you this that this is the best romance book I have ever read. भाई ये कारीगरी देख के आपको समझ जाना चाहिए how much I enjoyed this book. मेरे बस में अगर हो तो I wish I could give a copy of this book to every single girl so that she can experience love like this. And oh my god, Justin, let me just warn you, once you read about Justin from this book, you're not going to like any other man. Yeah. Bhai, Justin is the epitome of what women wants. Would गाना नहीं है Taylor Swift का In the world of boys, he's a gentleman. Justin is exactly that. बंदे ने फर्स्ट डेट के लिए लड़की को एक पूरा क्वेश्चनर भेजा with multiple options so that she has a good time. Oh my प्लस सुपर रोमांटिक होने के साथ साथ दिस बुक इज इनक्रेडिबली फनी एंड इनक्रेडिबली इमोशनल. आई लाफ्ड माई लंग्स आउट बट आई ऑल्सो क्राइड माई आईज आउट. और एक चीज जो मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है रोमांस बुक्स में वो ये है कि इस बुक का प्रेमाइस और इस बुक के कैरेक्टर्स बहुत ही ज्यादा रियलिस्टिक है. ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स इंक्लूडिंग द सपोर्टिंग वंस आर सो मैच्योर, सो रिलेटेबल एंड दे एक्ट लाइक ग्रोन अप्स. कुछ भी आपको ऐसे सुपरफिशियल नहीं लगेगा कि अरे ऐसा तो नहीं होता है. द वे आर मेन कैरेक्टर्स जस्टिन एंड एमा कम क्लोज डिस्पाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम टोटली डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स, टोटली डिफरेंट आइडियोलॉजीज, totally different situations is going to melt your heart. Their love story is so beautiful. The entire time I read this book, I was high in love and laughter. I felt so positive, so beautiful, so emotional. And if you want to have the same experience, please go and read Just for the Summer by Abby Jimenez. The next book on our list is A Shimla Affair by Shrishti Chaudhary. Okay, can I brag a little? Thoda sa. So I have got a signed copy of A Shimla Affair. In fact, Shrishti Chaudhary herself recommended me this book. So I was at a book fair when I met her and I told her कि मुझे ना thriller books पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है. So she said कि अगर आपको thrillers पसंद है then you will like this book. And I was like, I know that Shrishti Chaudhary was a romance author. Thriller, I was not so sure. तो मुझे लगा कि होगा थोड़ा बहुत इसमें thriller element. I'll have a look. But bhai sahab, I was not prepared for what this book delivered. Okay, firstly, I really want to talk about her writing. बहुत दिनों बाद मुझे किसी author की writing इतनी ज़्यादा प्यारी लगी है. I mean, even though this book is dealing with heavy emotions and intense scenes, yet I was always feeling comforted by the sweetness and warmth of her writing. I mean, I was just addicted to the mithas in her words. Bhai, I was so surprised by the thriller element of this book. Even though I read a lot of thrillers, I couldn't guess so many things that was happening in this book. Some of the scenes from this book will literally give you goosebumps. And oh my god, the climax. My heart literally came out reading the final pages of this book. I think this book is a perfect balance of thrill and emotions. ये book ना आपको basically Razi movie vibes देगी, but it is definitely better. And please don't forget to read the acknowledgement section because even that in this book is so powerful. So if you want to read a period drama where the women are taking the charge, then definitely check out A Shimla Affair by Shrishti Chaudhary. Now brace yourself because the next book is not just my top read of the year, but it is actually my favorite book of the year. I am talking about Welcome to the Hunom Dong Bookshop. I don't think so any other book has made me feel the way this book did. I have never felt so seen, so heard. I mean, if I could be defined by a single book, it will definitely be this one. If you love reading books, if you love having coffee, trust me, this book will be the best thing to happen to you. मैं ना रोज सुबह उठ के इस बुक के 2 chapters पढ़ती थी and I could feel something in my brain unknot. The writing has so much calmness and warmth. I felt as if I am in a therapy. ऑल्सो मैं ना बुक के इंपॉर्टेंट पेजेस फोल्ड कर लेती हूँ जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि कुछ बहुत ही मीनिंगफुल या वैल्यूएबल लिखा है, पर आप देख सकते हो इस बुक का हर एक, हर दूसरा पेज मैंने फोल्ड किया हुआ है. आई कनेक्टेड विद दिस बुक so much. If you're someone just say Days at Murakami bookshop बहुत अच्छी लगी, then trust me this book is 10 times better. I feel Japanese authors have cracked it when it comes to telling simple stories with a great impact. इस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद यू विल फील सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स, वॉकिंग एट नाइट, making a coffee, reading a book, talking to your friends, and just breathing fresh air. So, if you enjoy cozy feel good book that glamorizes reading, coffee, and slow living, then this is the perfect book for you. The next book on our list is again a thriller, Dissection of a Murder by Joe Murray. So this book is my latest read. अभी just 2 दिन पहले ही शायद मैंने खत्म की है. And as a thriller Kanya, after reading this book, I was dancing with joy because काफी time बाद I found an absolute banger 5-star thriller book, and that too from a debut author. This book is a legal thriller. Imagine Jolly LLB with a female protagonist. Yeah, that's the vibe. But obviously the book is better and crazier than the film. हाँ, थोड़ा टाइम लगाती है ये बुक बिल्डअप में, बट ट्रस्ट मी आपको उसमें भी मजा आएगा बिकॉज द राइटिंग इज टॉप नॉच. The drama is so entertaining, but once everything builds up, you won't be able to put this book down. भाई मैं तो इतनी इन्वॉल्व हो गई थी इस बुक में कि मुझे लगा मैं ही वो लॉयर हूँ जिसे ये केस जीतना है. I got so pumped up. और भाई मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझे सब समझ आ रहा है, मैं सब गेस कर पा रही हूँ, but I was so wrong. As a thriller Kanya, I was hurt because everything I assumed was absolutely incorrect. Whatever I was figuring, whatever I was feeling, सब कुछ गलत था. The twists were jaw dropping and the climax was absolutely amazing. काफी दिनों बाद मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आई है, भाई मजा आ गया. And once you close the book, looking at the ceiling, you will realize that the way this book has been written is an absolute masterpiece. I cannot recommend this book enough. The next book on our list is again by an Indian author, Stars Will Guide You Home by Suti Changle. So I got this book randomly just looking at the cover, and that was the best decision. Like, this book is everything that I want in a feel good romance book. Firstly, the characters. भाई इस बुक के कैरेक्टर्स आपको इतने ज्यादा रियल और रिलेटेबल लगेंगे that if you're a guy you will be like, भाई ये तो मैं हूँ, I am going through this exact same shit. And if you're a girl you will be like, this is me, I totally feel this. Secondly, the story. क्योंकि ये बुक एक इंडियन बेस्ड लव स्टोरी है, you will connect to everything personally. You will be rooting for Kiana and Nirvan. ऊपर से this book is just 200 pages. It is so tiny, you will just fly through it. But the highlight of this book is how this book talks about the problems of youngsters, both male and female. If you're a young adult who wants to make big in his or her career, but you also crave love and affection, then this book is exactly what you need. Reading this book will not only make you feel heard, but it will also give you a sense of direction and so many life lessons, along with a beautiful love story that all of us wants in our 20s. And the next book on our list is The Last Word by Taylor Adams. I was on the edge of my seat ऐसे the entire time I read this book. मुझे normal state of mind में आने का मौका ही नहीं दिया इस बुक ने. जैसे ही मैं थोड़ा रिलैक्स करती थी, थोड़ा नॉर्मल होती थी कि अब चलो मुझे सब समझ आ रहा है, the next chapter, the next paragraph itself will just knock my brains off. इतना किसी इंसान ने मेरे दिल के साथ नहीं खेला है जितना ये किताब खेल गई है भाई, in the most satisfying way. This is probably one of the best action thrillers I have read. भाई तुम पूरा टाइम ऐसे ऐसे करके ये बुक पढ़ने वाले हो. द ड्रामा इज इनसेन. बट माई फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ दिस बुक हैज टू बी द मेन फीमेल कैरेक्टर. तो देखो मुझे ना डम फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आते, स्पेशली इन थ्रिलर बुक्स. जब स्टूपिड डिसीजन फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स लेती है और उसकी वजह से बुक को थ्रिलिंग बनाया जाता है, देन दैट टर्न्स मी ऑफ. बट थैंकफुली दिस बुक ditched that. The female character in this book is smart, intelligent and a total badass. मतलब ऐसे दिल दहलाने वाले सिचुएशन में बंदी इतने क्लेवर डिसीजन ले रही थी, मेरा तो यू गो गर्ल ही निकल गया. But if you're still not convinced, then let me just read two lines from the blurb and you will immediately add this book to your TBR. Blurb says, If you give this book a 1-star review, you might end up dead. And that's all you need to know. And the final book of this list is very popular, My Husband's Wife by Alice Feeney. This book has the maximum number of twists I have ever seen in a thriller book. Every chapter in this book ends with a plot twist. I have already talked about this book so many times, so I will quickly wrap this up by saying that this is the perfect thriller book. It can't get better than this. Super fast pacing, incredibly engaging, fantastic writings, intriguing plot, addictive characters, and plot twists, well, you will be tired of counting. Everything in this book was 10 on 10, and it is probably the best book by Alice Feeney. And that's the video, guys. I hope you will add one of these books to your TBR. Let me know which one it is. And if you have already read any of these books, let me know your views in the comment section. I would love to read that. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy my content, please consider supporting and subscribing to this Book Kanya, and I will see you in the next video.